risk. This is where encryption comes in. Encryption transforms our data into a secure format that can only be read by someone with the correct decryption key. Encryption acts as a powerful shield, safeguarding our data from unauthorized access and ensuring its confidentiality. It's like a digital lock and key system behind the scenes. Encryption works behind the scenes to protect our information. It's an invisible guardian, ensuring that our digital lives remain secure and private. Encryption is the process of transforming readable information, called plaintext, into an unreadable format, known as ciphertext. This process is crucial in protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. This transformation is done using complex algorithms and a secret key. These algorithms are designed to be highly secure, making it extremely difficult for anyone without the key to decipher the information. The key acts like a decoder ring, allowing only authorized parties with the key to decrypt the ciphertext and reveal the original plaintext. Without the key, the encrypted data remains a jumbled mess of characters. Think of it like this: you want to send a secret message to a friend. You want to ensure that no one else can read it if they happen to intercept it. You write the message down, but instead of sending it as is, you replace each letter with a different symbol or shift the letters a certain number of places in the alphabet. This method scrambles the message, making it unreadable to anyone who doesn't know the pattern. This scrambled message is your ciphertext. It looks like gibberish to anyone who doesn't know the secret code. Your friend, who knows the secret code or shift pattern, the key, can then decrypt the message and read it. This ensures that your communication remains private and secure. Encryption ensures that even if unauthorized individuals intercept the ciphertext, they won't be able to understand its contents without the key. This is especially important in today's digital age. It's like having a conversation in a secret language that only you and the intended recipient can understand. This secret language keeps your information safe from prying eyes. Encryption is particularly important when transmitting sensitive data over the internet. This includes personal information, financial details, and confidential communications. When we send information online, it travels through various servers and networks, making it vulnerable to interception. Each step in this journey is a potential point of vulnerability. Encryption ensures that even if someone intercepts our data, it remains unintelligible to them. This layer of security is essential for maintaining privacy and protecting sensitive information in our interconnected world. Symmetric encryption is a type of encryption that uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. This means that the same key is used to transform readable data into an unreadable format and then back into its original form. It's like having one key that can lock and unlock the same door. This key must be kept secure because anyone who has it can access the locked information. Both the sender and the recipient must possess the same key, which is kept secret. This shared key is the cornerstone of symmetric encryption. Imagine you and your friend have identical copies of a special key. This key allows you to securely exchange information without anyone else being able to read it. You use your key to lock a message in a box, and only your friend can unlock the box with their identical key. This ensures that the message remains confidential between the two of you. This shared secret key is crucial for symmetric encryption to work. Without it, the encrypted data cannot be decrypted and understood. Symmetric encryption is generally faster and more efficient than asymmetric encryption, especially when dealing with large amounts of data. This speed makes it ideal for real-time applications. This makes it suitable for encrypting files, databases, and other large datasets. It ensures that sensitive information remains protected from unauthorized access. Some common examples of symmetric encryption algorithms include Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, Data Encryption Standard, DES, and Triple DS. Each of these algorithms has its own strengths and use cases. These algorithms have been rigorously tested and are widely used in various applications, including disk encryption, file encryption, and virtual private networks. They provide a robust layer of security for protecting data in transit and at rest.